Good evening, everyone. I'm recording this for a little guide for Wednesday, April 8th and Thursday, April 9th. This is level 6 at El Centro. So here I am. I am on the Google Classroom page. You should recognize this. And you can see the assignments that your teacher, Lindy, has already posted that you're already doing. And I'm going to give you a little heads up what will appear tomorrow morning. So here we go. All right. Now this is classwork that's coming up. So for tomorrow, social distancing and the sharing economy, I posted a video down here on the left. You can see that, and I'll draw a little arrow. So that's a video to watch, and here is a quiz. So the directions say the assignment's due Wednesday. Watch the video below, study the vocabulary. When you are ready, take the quiz. So what that means is when you click to watch the video, you want to watch it not just once, but maybe again. It's only about 2 minutes, but you'll see a lot of vocabulary explained, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's say I'm a student, I'm looking at this, I say, okay, I'm gonna watch this video. What's going on? Okay, so, okay, here's a teacher who's explaining something. Hey, that guy looks really familiar. So you explain, okay, there's the vocabulary, sharing economy, examples, Lyft, Airbnb, and the resale market of secondhand goods. And then you see vocabulary words. Here come a bunch of vocabulary words. Boom. There come the vocabulary words. And that's what you study. So take notes, watch that. It's only, okay, 4 minutes. So the explanation is only 4 minutes. Once you get the vocabulary down, then you take the quiz. How you take the quiz? On the right, click, open, multiple choice. It's self-grading. And after you click submit, you'll see how many you get right, see how many you get wrong, any problems. By the way, if somebody gets one wrong, it's not the end of the world. It's just a quiz, just a little exercise for the brain. Keep your mind busy during this crazy time. So that's Wednesday. Now, what's going to be posted on Thursday is this assignment. It's titled Finding Gig Work. All right. Again, you watch a short video and it'll teach you how to use both websites Craigslist and TaskRabbit. So if you're not familiar with those, when you watch the video, you'll learn how to use those. And then it'll give you some tips and tricks about finding gig work that's extra money. You're going to learn all about that for Thursday. And when you are finished, click on this Google document. You'll see 2 short answer questions, and you'll answer them right here. So it's just like doing a worksheet in class, except you fill it out and you hit submit. So that's answer number 1. Answer number 2, the document is sent directly to you, so you submit it on Google Classroom, and we're good. If you run into any problems getting the work done, just let me know. If you have any questions at any time, send me a message directly. That's my job. That's what I'm here for. All right. So good luck. I hope you find all of this helpful, and I look forward to seeing what you write and getting feedback from the quizzes. Okay. Take care.